How do you find natural springs near you? Are you curious about how to locate natural springs in your area? Understanding where to find spring water can be a game changer in survival situations. Let's break down the steps you can take to identify these vital water sources. First, timing is key. It is best to search for springs during dry weather. This way, you can easily differentiate between true springs and temporary runoff from rain. Next, focus your search on middle elevations. Look at the sides or middle of hills, as water from higher ground often emerges in these areas. As you explore, keep an eye out for signs of moisture. Wet or damp areas, eroded ditches, and places where moss, smooth rocks, and gravel gather are good indicators of water flow. Additionally, water pooling in lower areas downhill can signal the presence of a spring source. Once you spot a promising wet area, follow the water flow uphill. Continue until the terrain becomes too steep or the elevation is too high. This will help you pinpoint the spring source. When you reach the spring site, you may need to dig into the hillside to access a steady flow of water. Digging deep enough allows you to place a channeling device, such as a plastic pipe, to collect clean water. To keep the water clean, surround the pipe with rocks or gravel. This prevents sediment from entering and stabilizes the pipe. Cover the setup with soil and rocks, leaving part of the pipe exposed for easy access. Be aware that when you first disturb the spring, the water may appear muddy. However, it will clear up quickly once the flow stabilizes. This method provides a reliable source of fresh water, which is essential for survival. Remember, always purify spring water before drinking to avoid harmful pathogens. In summary, finding natural springs involves understanding the terrain and water flow patterns. Look for physical signs like moss and gravel, and carefully excavate to access clean water. These skills are vital for water procurement and purification in survival scenarios.